everyone, this is me Kavya and this is day 7 of 30 days English speaking challenge. So let's speak English daily. So friend, here I want to tell you something. I want to share something. So when I was beginner, I took a one challenge that really helped me to improve my English. And the challenge was continuously speaking for 1 minute without stopping. So I did this challenge, and trust me, friend, it was not easy. It was very tough to speak continuously for 1 minute as a beginner, right? And yes, I couldn't do that. I could speak for 30 seconds only, and I had fear of making mistakes, and I also thought about what to speak, what not to speak. So when we are beginners, so we always think which topic should I take, which not. So I also had this, but I didn't stop. And at first attempt, I couldn't speak. Next day, I couldn't speak, but third day, I could do that. So if you really want to improve your English, you can take this challenge. You can speak continuously without stopping for 1 minute at least. Then I increased the time. One day spoke uh, I spoke for 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, then I more than 3 minutes. So I increased my time. Now I can speak continuously. Why? Because I did lot of practice. That's why. So you can also do that and you can improve your English. Yes, at first attempt you may not do, but by doing daily practice, by practicing, you can definitely do that. If I can do, so you can do. So I also had one thing in my mind: what topic should I take, right? So took I spoke about my day, and there are a lot of things you can take as a topic. So I spoke about my morning routine, night routine, and whatever around was being. I explained in English only. If I had, um, if I was in Rome, so I spoke. I spoke about what was. I think one of the biggest problem we face while learning English is overthinking. We think a lot what other will say, what if we make mistakes, people will laugh at me. So we always think a lot. But believe me, friend, mistakes are proof that you are learning, right? So don't worry about your mistakes and speak every single day. And I felt I was getting better than earlier. So this was my experience that really improved my English. So I want you to take this challenge and improve your English. So I'll come back tomorrow with another video of my English speaking challenge. So see you tomorrow. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.